Hi, welcome to TallyVision, quick demos about our software. I'm Miguel Alvarado, a technical support engineer here at ThisFish, and in today's teaser, I'm going to show you how we are using AI to revolutionize the overall equipment effectiveness for the canning sector. Overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, is about measuring the effectiveness of a machine, shift, or production line. And there's three types of key performance indicators. First, availability measures downtime against the planned production time. Second, performance is the speed at which you are producing items per second, minute, or hour. And third, quality measures the ratio of rejected versus acceptable products. We have developed an OEE solution using TallyVision, or smart camera, for automated inspection. Here's how it works. First, a production scheduler allows you to set your runtime and production benchmarks. You then start a TallyVision camera, which visually counts products and automatically calculates downtime when nothing appears. You can then label the reason for the downtime. TallyVision also automatically detects defective products, removing them from production count. All this data on availability, performance, and quality is then displayed on TallyVision in real time. TallyVision can also store sample images to verify product quality. And even better, a live viewer allows you to sit in your office and watch production in real time. TallyVision is the first OEE solution to use computer vision technology, and is part of our commitment to pioneer new AI solutions to drive profitability and sustainability in global seafood. If you'd like to learn more, request a demo at this.fish/demo. I'm Miguel Alvarado, and that's my child teaser.